Channel ini menyediakan multi bahasa, di antaranya Indonesia, Inggris, Arab, Cina, Malaysia, dan Jepang. Nyalakan subtitlenya untuk mengetahui bahasa yang saya ucapkan. Terima kasih.
Hello guys, welcome to Ines Rooms again. And now this is part 2. I redesign and I redecorate again because there is a new furniture and also my wall decor. So please let's check it out. First thing first, there is a wall decor floral with butterfly because there is so cute and a little bit vintage at the back of my door. We swipe left, we see the Barbie stickers, and this is my time travel of my life. Okay, this is my pretty beads, also my favorite necklace. We see my favorite sling bag with floral vintage, and there is my suitcase from Elle. There is a wall cloak because it's very cute, so minimal style. This is my little doll, Pinocchio, Pooh Bear, and my koala. There is my Al-Quran. It's from Body Shop with honey and milk, almond. This is my body care, my graduate doll, red roses, and this is my photo when I'm graduation from bachelor degree of broadcasting. We see my bookcase, also my study place, because this is my desk. My favorite agenda Barbie. Hello Barbie. My laptop with Barbie again, Barbie wallpaper. And this is my Barbie doll. And for 5 dolls. This is from Africa, named Nikki, Rosella from Europe, Barbie from America, Teresa from Australia, and Lily from Asia. My tissue place, hippopotamus, and my books again. This is my book production. We swipe left. Hello, there is a princess. I love the princess so much. There is my new cover colors, purple with beautiful flower. Yes, there's my pillows, and this is my curtain with soft pinks. Hello, my panda, my cute panda, always eat that leaves. This is my love pillows with Barbie cover, and also this is my blanket with princess picture. It seems like before. I paste the stickers of London, the view of London, because I have a dream to go to London. This is like me, Barbie ride a bicycle. I have a painting. This is I paint with oil painting and canvas. There's maple tree and the girl with hijab at the Netherlands. And this is my Barbie stickers again. Oh, it's my beach hat. This is my favorite beach hat because it's very earth tone and looks like back to nature. This is my handbag from Kalimantan East, like this. Mini, my beautiful bag. This is my film strip Universal Studios. Okay, we swipe left. we see my dream board, same like before but different style. I just pin up and hang up all of my long earrings at the bottoms of my dream board. And this is my beauty desk. Like what? Okay. It's like cool makeup style. Okay, so thank you to watch my channel Inestra TV. Hope you like it, guys, and enjoy all of my room tour session too. And don't forget to click link and subscribe my YouTube channel. See ya! Hello guys, now I want to show you about my bathroom tour after I'm touring my bathroom tour. So please let's check it out. This is my hand soap from Dettol. Accessories, cat, comb, and this is my mirror. Ta-da! Wow, there is a beautiful butterfly wall decor. Anyway, I make it. This is from Barbie dresses. Butterfly, and this is I make it the body of the butterfly, and there is a Barbie stickers. My toilet, there is a little basket from my toothbrush, toothpaste, and hand soap. This is my brush to brush it off my ceramic wall and to brush off my flooring, my back. This is my brush to brush it this toilet. Very clean. Okay, there is a water heater and my shower from water. This is my shower puff, this water too. And will the car game like this, beautiful, sweet, like a back to nature. Okay, this seashell, and also starfish. This is my place when I want to take a bath. Okay, at the up we see my imitate flames from IKEA because it feels like go green at my bathroom. This is clothes, and this is my hair energy from Macarizo. Okay, this is Hello Kitty. This is my face soap, Almond Caramel Erha 21. Yes. Okay. This is my shower gel from Palmolive. This is my favorite so much. Morning tonic. My favorite shampoo, hair fall Pantene. Love enemy is better fresh from blade. This is my hanger. Okay. And vitamins. There is my shower puff again. This is my tissue place, but it's empty. This is shower for flash, and my perfume for toilet. Just press.